What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Canon 5D Mark IV with built-in Canon log, as well as a few more items. Welcome back, and let's get straight into the unboxing. Now I did pick up a kit with the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, which includes an Extreme Pro SanDisk 64GB 160MB per second memory card that should help get you started recording in 4K. And also included in the kit is the BG E20 battery grip. Now there's no need to unbox the memory card, so let's go ahead and get straight into the battery grip. First off, we have a little bit of paperwork getting you more familiar with how to use the battery grip, as it does have several different buttons. Here's the battery grip itself, and I have to say it definitely looks extremely nice and is definitely very well built. Now keep in mind this is just an unboxing video, however in the full review I will be going into what each and every one of these buttons do, not only just the camera but also this battery grip, so make sure you're subscribed. Now that we've gotten the memory card and battery grip out of the way, we can get to the main star of the show, which is the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV with built-in Canon C-Log. The Canon 5D Mark IV is able to capture images at 30.4 megapixels, and it comes with dual pixel CMOS autofocus. The Canon 5D Mark IV does shoot 4K at 30 frames or 24 frames per second, or 60 frames per second in full HD. The camera also comes with dual memory card slots, with one of those being a CF card slot and the other being an SD card slot. With those dual card slots, you can choose whether you want to record to both cards at once, or you can also choose the auto switch card. That means when the current card becomes full, the camera switches to the other card automatically. And let me make this real clear, that only works in photography mode, so you can't do that in video mode, which is kind of a bummer. The camera also records in a true 4K resolution, which is 4096 by 2160, where in other cameras the UHD or ultra high definition tops out at 3860. Opening up the lid on the box for the very first time, we're presented with a little bit of literature, and also some literature letting us know how to use the Canon log if we've never used it before. We also have some physical discs as well as a neck strap. Also included in the box is a battery, an iCup EG, our battery charger, and of course the star of the show, the Canon 5D Mark IV itself. My first impressions of the camera is that it's very solid and extremely well built. On the left side of the camera, if you're holding it from the back, there's a few ports to mention. There's a HDMI port, as well as a microphone and a headphone jack. And again, we will go into all the buttons and ports in the full review. Taking a closer look at the bottom of the camera, we have a spot to mount it on a tripod, and on the top of the camera is a hot shoe. And on the left is our mode dial, which I will be switching to M for manual. On the right side is our display. We also have the white balance, autofocus, and ISO, as well as a light for the screen. The camera definitely has some very nice weight to it and definitely feels like a professional camera. I'm definitely going to be slapping my 50mm f1.2 on here and seeing what it can do. Now this camera is geared more for photography than videography, however I think it'll work great in both aspects. Now I will be putting it to the test in those two regards, so if you are interested to find out what my results are, make sure you're subscribed. Now before I purchased this camera, it was up for debate between the EOS R and the Canon 5D Mark IV. I ultimately bought the 5D Mark IV, however I also purchased the EOS R. So I will be putting both cameras to the test and letting you know which one is the better camera for me in my particular instance, and also which one I'm going to return. Let me know down in the comments section below what specific questions you would like for me to answer in the full review video of the Canon 5D Mark IV. Also let me know if you have any questions in comparison to the EOS R. Until then, if you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all relevant links will be located down in the video description. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.